Hello there, guys, and today I just wanted to have a quick word with you about handling errors on the command line. Now, I just wanted to tell you that basically if you encounter an error of any kind of with any command, you can just copy the error message and then you can paste it into Google and try to figure out what is going wrong, okay? Because I think this is the most efficient way to do it. You could do some other things like look at the man page. I mean, you should look at the main pages. You should, but most likely you won't have to because somebody on the internet already asked the same or a similar question. Okay, so my suggestion is if you ever encounter any type of error, just copy the error message to Google and you will most likely get an answer. Now, if your error happens to be quite, I would say, how do you say, abstract or quite convoluted or whatever, then you can glean insights from the answers, but none of the answers on Google are really going to answer your question. Then you have two options. Number one is to really make sure you understand what you are trying to do, right? The same as we discussed in the beginning of this section, you need to understand not only what the command should do, but you should also understand what you are trying to do with it, because maybe the error isn't actually that the command is working wrongly. Especially if you're not getting any error messages, maybe the command is working as it's supposed to be working, but you actually have a misconception about what the command is supposed to do. And in those cases, you're going to have to maybe rewatch some of the videos in the series. Maybe you're going to have to type in man command and then see the man pages for the command, etc. Or maybe you can even ask your own question. If it's really tedious and you don't really understand what's going on, you can ask a question on a website such as Unix Stack Exchange or Stack Overflow, but I think Unix Stack Exchange is more appropriate for this purpose. Okay, so but usually 99.9% of your errors are going to be solvable by using Google. Okay, so use Google when you encounter an error. Would be the summary of this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Talk soon.